All right. Hey guys, I was able to start a new video for your homework today. So today is going to be over the difference between transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. All right, so just as a review, transitive verbs, they are the action plus a direct object. Right? And when you have a transitive verb, there's always going to be a direct object, and you always have to ask what or whom. And as an example, I have this sentence here. In this sentence, it says, Michael played basketball over the weekend. Right? So when you have a transitive verb, you pretty much look for the verb in the sentence, which in this case, it is the word played. Right? That is the verb because you can play. You just did it past tense. But this specifically is a transitive verb, which is labeled as V -sign T. And you ask yourself, what or whom? So Michael played what? He played basketball, which therefore, if you have a transitive verb, you have to have a direct object, and direct object would be basketball. He played what? He played basketball. Basketball would be the direct object, which is labeled as a DO. All right, so that's just a quick review. All right. Next are intransitive verbs, and these are slightly different. Intransitive verbs, they are the action plus no direct object. So there's an action, but there is no direct object in the sentence. So let me kind of give you an example. But first, when you have an intransitive verb, you do have an action, but you don't ask what or whom. And that's what this means. Know what or whom. And I'll give an example of a sentence to kind of show you what I mean by that. So here's an example right here of the use of an intransitive verb. The sentence reads, "The family ate in the hotel." Okay. So you do have a verb here, and it would be ate. That is an action. You can have ate something. And that would be a verb. But I labeled it in my own way. This is an intransitive verb. I just made the same labeling as a transitive verb using the V and the T, but I just put an I in front of it. This IVT means an intransitive verb. So ate is the intransitive verb. But if you read the sentence, the family ate in the hotel, does it say what the family ate? Or or whom the family ate? In the sentence, you can't answer those questions. There is no what or whom to the intransitive verb. Maybe they ate cereal, or maybe they ate sausage or turkey or whatever. I don't know. But the sentence does not say that, does not specifically answer the what or the whom in this sentence. So this word ate, because we can't answer what or whom for the verb, that makes it an intransitive verb. If the sentence said the family ate cereal in the hotel, ate would have been a transitive verb, and the word cereal would have been the direct object. But again, because you have an intransitive verb, you can't answer the what or the whom. All right, and I'll go over some examples with you to help get some more practice in. All right, so for this, this is kind of what you're going to see on your homework. You will have to read a sentence. You will have to locate, or I mean, identify the verb, and you have to say whether it is T for transitive or I for intransitive. All right, and I'm going to go through some of these with you. So let's look at this first one. I left my homework at home. Okay. I underlined the word left because that is the verb. You can have left something. But now the way I'm going to think about this is that I'm going to see if I can answer these questions, what or whom. I left my homework at home. Well, I left what? He left his homework. And I can answer that question successfully as a transitive verb. So, because I can answer that question, the word or the verb left here, it is a transitive verb. All right, now the second one. Will you get some milk today? The verb is get. Well, get what or get who? The sentence is saying get what? Get milk. So if I can answer what, I can say this is a transitive verb. Number 3, are you listening to the radio? Listening to what or whom? To the radio. So listening would be transitive. Number 4, 3 otters played in the water. Played what or played who? The sentence doesn't really say that. I can't look in the sentence and say what they played or who they played. So that would be an intransitive verb. And then the last couple ones, then I'm going to have to stop the video. Giraffes eat leaves from tall trees. They eat what? Eat leaves. So that would be transitive. And then the last one, we played hopscotch. Played what? Played hopscotch. So because I can answer the what question, that would make it a transitive verb. All right. I'm going to stop the video right here. I got to pick up in another video.